SIBIONO grain and seed heat pump dryer. Drying chamber dimensions: 5,500 millimeters long, 3,000 millimeters wide, 1,500 millimeters high. Capable of batch drying 4,000 to 5,000 kg of grains and seeds, this machine features a 25 horsepower heat pump for heat supply. The heat pump is equipped with 2 4 kW fans. Powerful airflow blows hot air from bottom to top, thereby providing optimal temperature to grains and seeds while removing moisture. Grains and seeds undergo gentle dehydration at 35-45 C, preserving the natural flavor of grains and seeds, ensuring optimal storage conditions and maintaining germination capacity for planting. Welcome to learn more about SIBIONO grain and seed drying machine.